It is very inspiring to see young founders building businesses with just one idea and then going on to Dalal Street and having a great listing. That's what happened with ShipRocket. It listed at a 35% premium today to its issue price. Well deserved, strong listing for a company that was built ground up with just one single idea. ShipRocket is India's largest e-commerce enablement platform. So what they do is they help online sellers automate logistics, manage orders, handle tracking. In FY26, the company posted 2,000 crores of revenues, although I must mention that they are still loss-making. But the founders saw a white space in the digital infrastructure ecosystem. They realized that it is very difficult for small merchants to tap into the logistics ecosystem. Now, the interesting part here is there was no playbook, there was no script that ShipRocket followed. What they do is pretty unique. They connect small businesses to courier partners like Blue Dart, Delivery, Aramex, and they do all this through one interface. So they're like an aggregator or a shipping gateway. But the opportunity in India is large because India currently has a 7 lakh crore e-commerce market, and ShipRocket currently moves just 5% of the total e-commerce market in India. So here's a business where the potential is large, the revenue model is asset light. This reminds us once again that you can have an idea which does not necessarily have a well defined, successful playbook, and you can still have a great business. It also reminds us once again of the potential that new age tech companies with young founders have.